Currently we have this page, which is not looking all that bad. I could maybe just change this a little bit to say maybe logo, because technically that's where we would have our logo. And if you guys notice also, because we use Bootstrap, if I should minimize my screen, we have this responsiveness, which is this. And if I should click on it, watch what happens. We would have something like this. And this is because we are using Bootstrap. I didn't write any CSS for this. I didn't write any JavaScript for this. This is just because we are using Bootstrap, which is the links that we added here, which is this is for the CSS and this is for the JavaScript. So I want to just play around a little bit with using a responsive property called Flexbox. So I want to copy this div. So on the natural way of our HTML element is going from top to bottom. So if I should copy that 3 times, we can see it here. But what I want to have is I want to have it on just one page, on one line. And obviously, as we minimize the screen, it should shrink or go to the next line. So there's a property in CSS called flex. So I have to give this particular container that we have here, I have to give it a CSS. I have to style it. So to style a CSS, you dot the class name. If it's an ID, you use hashtag the ID name. But since it's a class here, so you can see we did class container, and I want to style this container, meaning I want to give it a property of flex. I come to my CSS and I do dot container, curly brackets, and I say display type is flex. And what this automatically does for me is I put everything on the same line. But notice here now it won't be responsive because as I minimize the screen, it's shrinking the text itself, and we don't want a user to see this on their mobile phone. So a way of also trying to this is why we use flex to make it really responsive. So there is a flex property called wrap, flex wrap. So all we need to do is do flex wrap. What I will say no wrap, wrap. And what this automatically does is as the screen gets smaller, it takes the boxes to the next line. So let's see how that works. So now we have 3. As I move my mouse, you see now the 3rd one is at the bottom. If I move my mouse again, and then we have this. And the reason why we mainly use Flexbox is to make it responsive. So if I should open this and let's see how it looks on our mobile device, we would have something. So let me say an S8 Plus. So we would have something like this on our mobile device. Obviously, if I click on this, we get all of this also. If I click on this, we get this. So with a simple Bootstrap and CSS styling, and this is also mobile friendly, mobile responsive, because if you look at this is how it looks on mobile also, which is not totally bad. I mean, there are still like a lot of things you might need to work on. So yeah, so this is like just a simple website. So the next thing that I will do is take this website and push to GitHub. And once I push to Git, I would then make some changes and then push again. So we'll see how to do all that now. So but this is just a simple website built with Bootstrap and a little bit of CSS.